How to add video in PowerPoint. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. And this is me Kate here, and on today's video we will learn how we can add video in PowerPoint. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up your PowerPoint presentation. Then head towards your slide where you want to add the video. So once you have selected your slide, head towards this menu bar at the top of your interface. There you will have an option as Insert. Click on it. Now under Insert tab, you will find an option to add video right here in your upper right corner. You have to click on video. Here you get two options, whether you want to add video from your device or the online videos. If you go with the online videos, you have to type in the URL for your video. After that, your video will be added. But if you have videos in your device, then you can go with this device option and then select the video from your device. For example, I have this video right here, then click on Insert. Now the video will be inserted. You can resize your video with your preferred size and you can place it wherever you like by dragging the video. So in this way, you can insert video in PowerPoint, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.